Let's start with Credit Karma. This platform is a household name for credit tracking in the United States. It offers free credit reports, score updates, and financial insights without affecting your credit. Once you sign up, you get access to scores from two major credit bureaus, TransUnion and Equifax. That dual report approach gives you a clearer picture of your credit health because each bureau can sometimes show slightly different numbers. Credit Karma updates your credit information weekly, which helps you spot changes early, like a new account opening, a drop in your score, or a hard inquiry from a lender. The interface is clean and easy to understand. You can see your score history, analyze what is helping or hurting it, and get personalized suggestions to improve it. Beyond just monitoring, Credit Karma also recommends financial products tailored to your credit profile. You can compare credit cards, loans, and refinancing options that you are more likely to qualify for. It even provides an estimate of your approval odds, which helps you avoid unnecessary credit applications. Another helpful feature is credit alert notifications, which immediately flag suspicious activity that could signal identity theft. Now let's look at Borrowell. Borrowell is based in Canada and was one of the first platforms to offer completely free access to credit scores there. It partners with Equifax to provide your credit score and report, updated every week. The experience is similar to Credit Karma but tailored specifically for Canadian users, making it one of the top choices in that market. Borrowell's biggest advantage is how it personalizes credit improvement. It goes beyond showing your score and breaks down the key factors that influence it, like payment history, credit utilization, and credit age. It then gives clear, easy-to-follow tips to raise your score over time. The platform also offers product recommendations, but it leans heavily into education, helping users understand why certain products might be a better fit for them. One standout Borrowell feature is Molly, its built-in credit coach. Molly uses your data to give practical advice on how to improve your score step by step. For small business owners, freelancers, or anyone building credit for future loans or mortgages, that guidance can be incredibly helpful. Borrowell also provides tools for tracking debt and comparing financial offers, making it a well-rounded platform for Canadian users. In terms of accuracy and usability, both platforms are strong. Credit Karma gives a wider view since it pulls data from more than one bureau, while Borrowell focuses on detailed, personalized improvement. Both are completely free, do not require a credit card, and offer mobile apps that make tracking your score effortless. So here is the takeaway. If you are a US-based user looking for a reliable data-rich credit monitoring tool that also helps you find better financial products, Credit Karma is your best option. If you are in Canada and want a platform built around Canadian credit data with smart personalized coaching, Borrowell is the way to go.